Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check this out. I'm going to show you a picture of the before, right? And so what we've been doing up here is, this is the old mower shop here. We moved it over the summer. If you've been following the channel, moved it down to the bottom here. Well, we've been turning this into kind of a movie room, or just a hobby room, whatever you want to call it. We got a movie screen over here, and we needed something for over here. And I'm really happy to have hooked up with these folks and got this. It's the FlexiSpot XS4, I think is the model, but it is a couch with power reclining seats. So I'm not going to do this in real time. I'll speed the camera up here. It comes in 4 boxes. 2 of them are in the 30 to 40 pound range, and 2 of them are just shy of 70 pounds. So you probably want to have some muscle around when it comes to getting them in and out of the truck or whatever. But I've got them home, got them hooked up. Jen's not here, so I'm going to do this alone. I want to surprise her. It's movie night. You know, we're going to set this thing up. And in another video, I'm going to reintroduce you to this area because I'm really digging it. I'm like really proud of the cool stuff that we've done. Some of this is from Jen, some of this is from me, but we've created a space that's kind of like a, you know, a man and woman cave, I guess you'd call it. I don't know what you'd call it, but anyway. Let's get on to unboxing this thing and setting it up. I don't know how to do it, but we're going to do it, and we'll pause the camera back over here and hook it back up. I'll tell you how it all went, and we'll try it out, and then I'll show you Jen up here later on tonight, and hopefully she's as happy as I'm going to be with it. Let's do it. All right, well, so you never know. I mean, you're buying a couch over the internet. That can be a bit frightening. And it's not an inexpensive couch. The XS4 has got power recline, which is one of the reasons it's a little heavier and a little fancier than some of the couches you might buy at Big Lots or online or whatever. But it has some reasons for that. So here's our power, and I'll show you this much closer up. But we have power here, reclining. We also have USB. And we also get a pocket over here to put our phone or whatever if you want to. Now, assembly, before I even start to assemble it, I can tell you this. It looks to me like it's going to be very easy. It looks like a lot of these things just slide into place, and then you hook up a cable or two here. And so, again, let me take a look at this. It did come with the XS4 user manual, and it's just showing the parts, but yeah, it literally, there's not a lot to it. It does have a couple of screws. Connect bases. In order to join the left and right bases along with the medium base, utilize the connecting piece as illustrated in the diagram. So there is like a little bracket. So I'm going to tip all these up, put the bracket between the 3 pieces. And I think you're going to like what the middle of this does. So it's a 3-person couch. Each side reclines, but the middle side here, it has a secret. So I'll show you that here in a second. And yeah, once you get that on, it really speeds up. The backs just slide in and plug in. The ends just slide in and plug in. And then you find an outlet and plug it in, and you are ready to rock and roll. And I'll go through all the positions that it's at here. But very little assembly. It's got 4 pages, and only 3 of the pages actually have assembly, to give you an idea how little is involved. In fact, it's quite a process getting it out of the boxes just because of the weight of everything. I would say it's probably a good idea to make this a 2-person job, but I'm kind of trying to surprise Jen with this one. She knows that I've been thinking about something like this, but didn't really think it would work out. Yeah, look at this. So each side gets its own remote control for the different positions, height positions and everything. And that's pretty awesome if you ask me. So we're going to go ahead. I'll get this thing unplugged, and we're going to get it going on here. So I will once again speed up the camera and assemble this thing, and we will take a look at it in its final form. Let's do it. All right, once we have the back installed and all put together, we got to put our sides on. So we're going to lay this thing flat. There we go. And we're going to just slide these pieces into place. Okay. Right on. And they just kind of slide into place, right? Next up, I'm going to put the centerpiece here in. And again, it just slides into place. There's braces here. That's all there is to it. All right. And I think I got these reversed. Yeah, I do. So let me switch these two around. I'll put this one in first, I guess. There we go. And the last one. And that's it. Now, behind here, there's a couple of cords that we need to attach, just kind of hook everything together. All right, let's take a look at this finished product here before Jen comes home, and we'll check it out with her. But oh yeah, look at this thing. So material-wise, it's definitely got that durability to it. It's that, I don't even know what they call that, but it's a real thick type of cloth. And I also like the color here, that gray kind of. I bet it would hide a stain or 2 or 20 over the years that we'll have this thing, and that's kind of cool. This center part that flips down here, this is pretty straightforward. It literally just flops forward. This is like Formica or some kind of setup there. Cup holders. And then it's still padded. I mean, this area and this area are all padded here, so still a little bit comfortable. And it gives you, when it's folded down, it kind of gives you the, you know, like reclining chair look to it, I guess. I think the coolest part, of course, other than, you know, here's our power for USB, USB-C, and there's our motor controls. There's a little pocket here we can put stuff in. But for me, the coolest part by far is this, the remotes that come with this, power it on. And I don't know if you can hear it, can't really see it. Yeah, but it's got vibrations. So we can do thigh, we can do lumbar, we can do back, we can do all three. We have different modes, how it cycles through, or constant, and then we have like the intensity. I think that's awesome, right? And then we also have heat, and I think that for me and my wife is also going to be a big deal. How hot do we want it? And then we have a timer, 15, 30, or 60 minutes. So when she gets home and tries that out, I know she's going to love that. So this studio here does get a bit cool, especially in the wintertime. We do have heat in here, but it's the diesel heater. And I'll make another video on that if I haven't already put it. I think I'll put that out before this video comes out. We have a diesel heater in here that warms the place up. But it's, you know, it's a shed. It's not a house. So insulation-wise, probably not equal to it. So that'll really help that, and a couple blankets and some pillows, and I think we'll be all set. Yeah, really cool. I love it. I love the look of it too. It's just, it's nice. So let's pause the camera and we'll get Jen in the driver's seat. Let's do it. Okay, so Jen is home. I told her, get up here when you get home. Don't even go inside. It's an emergency. Okay, so on your side there, not that thingy. On the side, there's the buttons to control the motor. So go ahead and you can check it out. And I moved it back a little bit, so you may not be able to go all the way back, but you could literally sleep. No, keep going. It goes to like sleep mode. All right, so what do you think?
I can get used to this. It's pretty nice.
Yeah? All right, so bring it back to a comfortable position for you, and then I'll show you the trick. The best part. You're going to love this. Where are you comfortable? Not all the way up. Just put it in where you want to watch TV, right? Okay, check this out. So, got a remote here. You press the on button.
Ooh, it's kind of nice.
Right? It's got different modes.
It feels kind of nice in the back.
And it's got, you can do back, lumbar, or legs. What's that button do?
Ooh, it's even heated?
Yeah. The seat heater.
This might have to be mine now. Pretty nice. I like.
Does that not feel good? So it was extremely heavy bringing this thing up here
Yes.
and getting it installed. But yeah, so really, you know, probably should have had 2 people to put this thing together.
Yes.
But I did it because I wanted to surprise you with it. And when I turned that thing on, I was like, oh yeah. So yeah, I've kind of been hanging out here since then. Well, check it out. It also has this.
Oh, that's kind of nice.
Nice cleanable surface here with the cups and everything.
Pretty nice.
Pretty sweet, huh?
Yes.
You put our remotes here, we can get our popcorn and
No popcorn.
watch a movie, right?
No popcorn. I like this.
It's pretty
I like
sweet,
the
huh?
seat. It's really nice.
Yeah, it's also got USB ports on the side, but oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like that's perfect for me. I sit here watch a movie. Just just feel that, you know?
So when's the movie start?
Yeah, right. So yeah, let's go maybe cook some dinner and we'll come up here and have it. But
It's nice. I like that.
anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys and with my wife. This
Definitely a thumbs up.
yeah, this is not an inexpensive piece of furniture, but it also doesn't act like an inexpensive piece of furniture. It has got good padding. Would you say like
It's comfortable.
the cushion and stuff, and the quality of the fabric's about the same as our other couch.
Yeah.
So I would say that that's gonna hold up. We have cats that they'll probably shred it eventually, but that's every piece of machinery.
The vibrating back for the massage is really nice.
Love it. Anyway, I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these things, and yeah, pretty cool.
Definitely a thumbs up.
Until next time, my friends, take care.